Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Yvonne, OQUA, a faith-based content creator, and I make vlogs and videos centered on Christ. I recently became an auntie to the most adorable humans ever, and I hope you like it here. So guys, today is 20th of April 2025 and I'm on my way to Lagos, basically. Not so much talk in this vlog because I'm so sad. Not so sad, like it's a bittersweet experience for me. I don't want to go to Lagos, but I have to. I'm already missing my sister and my babies. Gosh, I wasn't even in the mood to vlog, but it was a last minute decision. So you guys should take this vlog as it is.
Walking into a perimeter and saying the weather on.
That addiction that you don't want to stop, that life that you don't want to stop living, that you are chilling till when you have lived your youth, then when you are old, you now start serving the Lord. Who told you that you will see tomorrow? Because this boldness that you have about long life, who gave it to you? If he tells you you need your soul tomorrow, you go to making chill. There's an urgency, guys. See, the revival that we seek is very close to us. May he not come and meet us on PP.
Edumare jẹ́nra fi ṣayé, oníbu ọrẹ jáyọ̀ bá mi dalẹ̀. Mo gbáyọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi Elédùmarè, mo jẹ́ fi kóró ṣẹlẹ̀ ayé. Mo gbáyọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi Elédùà o, mo jẹ́ fi kóró ṣayé. Káyọ̀ mi pọ̀ dalẹ̀, ẹ̀bẹ̀ ni mo bẹ̀ ọ́. Èdùmàrè jẹ́nra fi ṣayé, oníbu ọrẹ jáyọ̀ bá mi dalẹ̀.
Hey guys, so today is Saturday. I'm going to school tomorrow, and I just quickly dressed up. That's if I even put in any effort. I'm not even wearing a necklace, nothing. But yeah, I'm going to the salon to get my hair done. And see the way I'm holding this fan. I said holding this. See the way I'm holding this camera. My room is a mess, guys. You don't even want to how much of a mess it is. But yeah, don't let me put this phone somewhere. Like I was saying, my room is an actual mess. I think I put so much lip gloss. That's by the way. I have so many things to do today. I need to go make my hair. First off, I missed my appointment because my appointment is supposed to be by 10 a.m. This is 12:58, almost 1. So I pray she'll be able to squeeze me in. What else? Okay, I'm supposed to go shop for my provisions today as well. Go buy some things. It's just a lot. Okay, I also need to go pick up my NIN card. I printed it out an actual card because I was tired of the sleep version and I don't like it getting missing or faded or all of that. Mine is actually faded, so I just decided to get a name card. So that's basically what I'll be doing today. I'll try as much as possible to carry you guys along. Please, nobody should hold my neck. I can't still believe this is my last semester in school. I'm finally going to get this degree. So guys, I just want to quickly show you the extension I got for my hair. This color. I normally buy Lush extensions, but the color 33 for Lush is kind of giving wine, and my school doesn't accept that color. So yes, this is deep brown. I actually dread black attachments right now. If you see me on black hair, then you know that maybe that was my last option, or maybe I just kind of wanted to use black extensions. But I have used black almost all my life. I'm not even joking, guys. Like, I've fallen so in love with other colors. I mean, except from all those crazy colors. Oh, please, you will not see me there. I'm talking of ginger, color 33, like deep brown. Basically those two. I'm not even the kind of girl to do those flashy colors. I'm not saying they're bad, but me, I just like colors that are really like calm, okay, and cool, not loud and flashy. Abuja, babe. Hey, I'm going to miss you. I'm going with you. This is my own bag. This is your own bag. This is my bag. Like you. How would they like? I'm the life of the party. Oh, are you? How do you feel? Okay. I'll send it to your WhatsApp. Tell them that I'm coming with you. I'm going to miss you. I'm not going to lie. I can't lie. Oh, you were there coming, baby. You don't know, guys. If you don't send me videos and pictures, it's over. And they're probably just like. Still settling in, probably. Chica, come on, say hi. Chica, eh? Lock your ears like that. My allegiance to that one who has called me. I will be so proudly remain. Something would have gotten that made sense. Every other thing, you wouldn't have enjoyed it at all. Master is in me.
for this vessel, so I pledge his allegiance to that one who has called me home. I'll be ready.